So guys, what to do if you forgot your passcode to unlock iPhone? Alright, when you forgot the passcode and can't unlock the iPhone, the solution is to erase the device and remove the forgotten lock screen passcode, and then restore it from a backup after the erasing operation. In this video guide, we'll show you how to regain access. The first method is to erase iPhone wirelessly using security lockout for iOS 15.2 or later. If your iPhone is running iOS 15.1 or earlier, or you can't see the Erase iPhone option, we'll guide you to erase iPhone on a computer by using iTunes or AppGeeker iPhone Unlocker. Okay, let's start with method 1. How to erase iPhone wirelessly. This is a new feature introduced by Apple in iOS 15.2 to unlock an iPhone if you forgot the passcode. And if you have your Apple ID and password in place, and your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data network, you can continue to use this method to unlock your iPhone without computer and iTunes. Now from your iPhone's lock screen, enter the wrong passcodes multiple times and it will be unavailable. Keep entering your passcodes until you see iPhone unavailable screen or security lockout screen with an Erase iPhone option at the bottom right of the screen. The next step is to use the Erase iPhone option to erase or reset your iPhone. Alright, tap Erase iPhone option in order to erase all content and settings including the passcode on the device. And after erase your iPhone, you can use a backup available in iCloud or computer to restore your data. Continue to tap Erase iPhone option on the Erase all content and settings screen. Next, enter your Apple ID password to log out and confirm the action of erasing your iPhone. The erasing process will begin. All content will be deleted. This may take some time to complete it. When your iPhone has been erased and restored, it will restart and display Apple logo. Set up your device, and you can restore your iPhone from iCloud backup or computer backup. If don't see the Erase iPhone option, or if your iPhone has an iOS version earlier than iOS 15.1, then restoring with recovery mode may be your best option for unlocking your iPhone. Why we need to put the iPhone into recovery mode before we can unlock it with computer? It's because the iPhone is locked and computer is unable to recognize it without it being unlocked. So for iPhone 10 or later, second and third generation of iPhone SE, iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus, press and hold side button and either volume button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn the device off. After that, press and hold the side button as you connect your iPhone to computer using a USB cable. Keep holding the side button until you can see the recovery screen on the iPhone's display. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, you can press and hold the side button to trigger the power off slider and turn off the phone. Then press the volume down button and immediately connect your phone to the computer. When you see the recovery mode screen, release the volume down button. For iPhone 6s or earlier and iPhone SE first generation, press and hold the side or top button, and when the power off slider shows up, drag it to turn off the device. Then press and hold the home button as you plug it into your computer. Don't release the button until you see the recovery mode screen. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, open iTunes or Windows PC or older Mac. If you're using a Mac with macOS Catalina or later, open Finder. Now a prompt with update and restore options appears. Choose Restore option. This will erase all data and settings as well as the passcode and restore iPhone to factory settings. If you've backed up your phone to iCloud or computer, you can restore your device from the backup. Now choose Restore and Update option, and follow the prompts to begin the process. Your computer will download the software for your iPhone and then do the restoring. If the download takes longer than 15 minutes, the device may exit recovery mode and you need to repeat the process and do the restore again. When the restoring process is done, disconnect your iPhone and set your iPhone up. Now let's come to method 3. Unlock your iPhone using AppGeeker iPhone Unlocker. I've put the download link for the software in the description section below and you can get it on your computer and remove your forgotten passcode. Open AppGeeker iPhone Unlock. Choose Wipe Passcode Mode, and click Start button. If your locked iPhone couldn't be recognized, you need to place it into recovery mode. We've explained how to enter recovery mode in the previous section. Now when your iPhone is successfully entered recovery mode, confirm the device information and click Start button. The software is now downloading and installing the iOS firmware for your iPhone. Once that's done, enter 4 zeros and click the Unlock button to erase your iPhone and reset it. When the unlocking process comes to end, your iPhone is unlocked. Set up the device. Create a new passcode for the lock screen and restore your data and settings from a backup that previously made using iCloud or your computer. So you should know how to unlock your iPhone if you forgot your passcode. Let me know which erasing method is working best for you to regain access to your iPhone. Thanks for watching.